Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to check for Windows updates perfect if you want to keep your system secure, fix bugs, or get the latest features. We'll go step by step to find and install updates whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's keep your PC up to date, stick with me, and let's get started.
Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and select Settings. Go to Windows Update on Windows 11. Click Check for Updates. Windows will start searching for new updates. If updates are available, you'll see them listed like Feature Update to Windows 11 version 23H2. Click Download and Install to start the process. It might take a few minutes, and your PC may need to restart. If the update gets stuck, check your internet connection. A weak signal can pause the download. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if you found any cool new features. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.